welcome back to my channel. It's your girl All That Jazz, and you are here with the baddest. Ew. So if you want to know how I got this look, honey, this glow, stay tuned. I hope y'all enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe, and follow your girl on Instagram if you want to see how this kind of played out in some pictures. It's underscore all that jazz. That is 3 underscores, baby girl, 3 underscores, baby boy, 3 underscores, all that jazz. Also, if you want to know these wig details, baby, you want to know these wig details, go ahead and subscribe, honey, and then go on my channel and watch me slay this wig. So if you want to just see me get cute to go sit in my living room, then just stay tuned. All right, y'all, it's time to start this makeup look. Yeah, just goofing around here. And there's my dog, Brooklyn. Yeah, so we're starting with Anastasia and Juvia's Place products, and I'm just using a angled brush to go ahead and put those products on my brows. And also, it's a double-sided brush that's also a spoolie, so you can do both, which is pretty lit. So yeah, just filling that in, jamming out to some tunes while I'm doing my makeup. So I'm taking a Eco Tools flat brush, and I'm just using that to go ahead and carve out my brows. And this is Juvia's Place concealer in the color 12. So now we need to drag down that concealer because that's going to be the base for our eyeshadows. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend out everything with a beauty blender that is damp around my entire eye area. Okay, we're done with that. Eyebrows look bomb. And I'm going in with my POREfessional's Matte Rescue Primer. Just going to go ahead and put that all over my face. Okay, so I tried to fix my smile lines by filling it in with setting powder, but I don't recommend doing this. It didn't help that much. I'm using a Wet n Wild flat top brush to mix this product in, and this is the Spice Rum color of the Too Faced foundation and number 4 in Smashbox mixed together. Porn star, big booty. Let me film it, then shoot it. 3 money, no illusion. Pinning if I'm feeling bougie. Might hit your lines. Come phone on me, got a vibrate on like a big. I'm in Colorado, smoking California beef. The bitch so bad, call it to the car. Really wanna meet. And I ain't kidding away, but. After that, I'm taking a damp beauty blender and I'm going over my foundation again just to make sure everything is set. So yeah, just make sure you get in there and blend it out. To highlight areas of my face, I'm taking that same concealer I used for my brows in these areas of my face, and then I will be blending it out with a beauty blender. For setting my face, I'm using a setting powder, which is the Sacha Buttercup mixed with the Laura Mercier translucent powder and also Juvia's Place powder and Gobi. And we're going to mix all three of those together. And yeah, put those everywhere where you concealed. Honestly, you can really skip this step because I feel like it made me look kind of harsh, but I carved out my cheekbones with the setting powder and then swept it away. Now I'm taking my Too Faced powder in the color Spice Rum. It's a pressed powder and I'm using that all over my face to give me that brown effect since I kind of washed myself out a little bit with the setting powder. Now I'm taking my 35G Bronze Gold palette to go ahead and contour my face. Then I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill palette and use two colors and mix them together to create a balm blush color. I'm taking like a red-brown color from my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette to contour my nose on both sides. So now we're going to be taking a deep brown and I'm going to use that eyeshadow over my entire lid. So this is the only color we're going to be putting on our lids. I love it so much. It just gives me like this really like natural effect. Just like a pop of color, not too much, just really nice. And then I'm going to be taking a shimmer and placing that in the corners of my eyes. I'm using my NYX Jumbo pencil in black to use that for eyeliner, just for the bottom though. So yeah. Then I like to set my eyeliner on the bottom with a black eyeshadow. So that's what you see here right now. That's what I'm doing because I don't want it to run later. It just kind of helps with that. And it also makes it darker. Now I'm taking my NYX vinyl eyeliner. It's the matte one and obviously it's black. What other color would I be using today? Yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and line our eyes with that before we put our lashes on. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara and I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my eyes. So I added bottom lashes to my lower lash line and then I put my 25mm lashes on the top. I did do most of it off camera, so I'm sorry about that, y'all. It's kind of a struggle trying to put eyelashes on camera, but if you want a detailed tutorial on that, just leave a comment below and I will have that for y'all. Now I'm taking my Juvia's Place loose highlighter in the color Nefertiti. It's like a gold with iridescent sparkles. It's so gorgeous. I definitely recommend this. Like, you should just get it. It's bomb. The most important places to put your highlighter is going to be the highest part of your brow bone, your nose, the tip of the nose, the bridge of your nose, and then the highest part of your cheekbones. And then what I love about loose highlighters is that you can build the coverage and just have it really, really illuminated in the very center of your highlight. and you'll see me do that here. Now for lips, I'm just taking a regular schmegular brown lip liner that I got from the hair store. Any brown lip liner, eyeliner will work. Yeah, so it's just brown. I don't even know the name of it. I'm so sorry. I have several of them laying around the house. But yeah, I'm just lining my lips. This is a nude gloss that I also got from the beauty supply store, and I want to say this one's in the color Vanessa. I have a couple of them that are very similar in color. It could be Aaliyah or it could be Vanessa. It's one of those. And then I'm taking a shimmer on top of that by the same brand. And yeah, just putting that on top. They're so cute. You can find them at the hair store. They're like at every hair store, I promise. And then I'm just taking a clear gloss. That one happens to be mint. Any clear gloss will work, and you just want to put that over your lips as a finished product. Okay, y'all, that completes the look. Let's put this wig on. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed it. It's bomb.com. Okay, full view. So in love. It's just, you know, my little natural type deal. Just real glowy brown on the eyes to match the shirt. You know, we cooling it. This is like that every day, but still a little glam, whatever. But yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed everything, and if you like it, you should subscribe to my channel. Wherever it's at, subscribe to the girl's channel, because I got all the good shit over here. Okay, it's more coming. I be slaying like 24/7, so you're gonna want to know what I got coming next. You might as well subscribe. Like, what are you waiting on? Like, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and subscribe. Anyways, I will catch y'all in my next video. Stay safe, social distance, and go for some goals during quarantine. I mean, like, you can relax if you want to, but I just find this the perfect time to go and get it. But all right, y'all, bless up. I'll see y'all in my next video.
Hey, shawty hit my line, shawty hit my line, yeah. Hey, I'm serving all the time, but you know how I grind.